Integers are positive and negative whole numbers, including 0. For example, 5, -10, 0. No fractions or decimals. Opposites are numbers that are located equal distance from 0. For example, if you're starting at 0, you go -3 or +3, they're the same distance from 0. So the absolute value of a number is the number's distance from 0. It doesn't matter if the number is positive or negative, it's its distance from 0. So if you begin to compare integers, the number farthest to the left of the horizontal number line is the smaller number. So for example, if I have 2 and -1, 2 is farther to the right, therefore it's the positive number, it's the larger number. A review of adding integers. When you look at types of numbers that you are going to add, whether positive or negative, if the signs are the same, both positive or both negative, add the absolute value of the numbers. If the signs are different, subtract the absolute value of the numbers. The answers is determined by the absolute value. For example, a -6 plus a -5 equals a -11. A -7 plus a +4 does not have the same sign. Therefore, you have to look at the absolute value. 7 has a larger absolute value. Therefore, you know the answer will be negative. Looking at this review of adding integers, one way to think about integers is looking at money. If you owe $7 and you have $4, then you're still going to owe $3 after you pay that $4. If you have $5 and you owe $9, you're still going to owe $4 after you pay the $5. These are examples of adding integers. When we subtract integers, we look at subtraction as a negative number. For example, -5 minus 6. I owe 5 and I owe 6, therefore I'm going to owe 11. Multiplying and dividing integers. To multiply or divide integers, the answer is positive if the numbers both have the same sign. A negative times a negative is a positive, and positive times a positive is a positive. If the signs are different, then the answer will be negative. 63 divided by 7 is -9. The rules work for computation involving negative fractions and decimals also. So, what would you do if you had multiple numbers to add or multiply? Are there better ways to solve or do these problems? I want you to try the last two problems at the bottom, remembering your order of operations and the rules for adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing integers.